division.
Oh, yes.
Na sana mga turang itulo da aun rabe mbua e maduata. Kay tulasan na go the
pronunciation, the dialect you use.
Yes.
pagkakona taka.
Yeah, daka. For Bua, daka. Some
Yeah.
district in Bua, they use daka.
Right.
So for us in Wainunu, daka.
Kunin daw lasu. Kim daw doki.
Kita rin na boy.
Ano na kadam sa na kailan no?
Yarabnaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. Welcome to Outspalangi Show.
Yeah.
Tuesday, the 14th day of July. We are sending our
You miss
greetings.
your lipstick?
No.
Oh.
Toroka, you mix your lipstick. Say, what did you say? Why are we coming
Nasa
to
mo
all the
curry powder.
students? All the students boarding the bus this morning.
Yeah.
The boys will, the boys and the girls,
Yeah.
primary school, are having their first day soccer tournament today.
Whoa.
And
And who's playing in to be mali?
Rusiate.
Rusiate is
Yeah,
under
Rusiate.
what?
Yesterday I went and buy the, what's this?
Shinpad,
Shinpad, yeah.
$50 million.
Oh, no, that's FIFA. 50 million,
And
man.
under 10?
Under 12.
Under 12.
right.
Yeah.
Good
He's
boy.
playing for under 12 and he
Coach
loves
Motata.
sports.
Oh,
Kung
okay.
talita ka nang gito. He's very active
Yeah.
and that's why we support him. This
Wow.
morning when I came, I kissed him.
Yeah.
Yesterday I told him to pray
Yeah.
before playing so that God will protect him.
Yeah.
God will guide him in the court because daddy and mommy
Yeah.
will not be there because we are working.
Oh,
right.
Okay, one now. Yeah.
So,
Kasi
mana
wala
ni
na
Binaka? Yeah, mana ni Binaka to, yes.
children who will be playing soccer today.
Are Samaj, Dinbandu, Nambua Primary,
Okay.
a lot of schools, international. There's a lot of school playing.
Yeah.
And which ground? The
HFC Bank Stadium.
Oy, kali mo sana.
Yeah. Not the full ground. Half, eh?
Oh, half.
Half court, half court or half ground, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, di binakaroon, pag di binakaroon gito soccer the sing
We was calling each other yesterday. My mom from the village, they
Right.
was calling and they was talking to the boys at home.
Yeah.
Father son,
Yeah.
Kasilaylay, may bale. He was playing rugby too. They doing the playing kachi rugby. They play together at Ratuluke
Yes.
Memorial School ground.
Yeah.
They was playing there the primary. So when they were after the game, the mom call. They want to talk to the two boys at home. From there, hey, tutua, eskoa, rona na eskoa ni kuwa.
Oy.
The two boys baka mga meron na wasebuli.
Yeah.
Meron saya bala, raw sa kerker sa ngabiyaw, kero sa biyali baka utibuli ratulog.
Boys,
Isa.
yeah, boys, yeah.
They tularo ni Robian
Interested in playing here,
Yeah.
Isa.
Dila
Said,
sana.
malua, control.
Right.
I want you to stay with daddy too.
Yeah.
If you gonna leave me, you go there. Who will be look after daddy? O then
Dila
naman
sana.
mo taki daddy. Kila, eh?
Right. To bisale mo siya ngoni pale sa ratugur ngoni,
So
sa
please,
ratugur ngoni.
if you leave, you will motivate daddy to make more brothers and sisters.
Make more kachi.
Kachi
Yeah, but I don't know to all the bus drivers, minivan drivers, taxi drivers who are tuning this morning, wherever you are heading to, and
Isa.
namatang di sini kuha, we say welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Welcome home.
Ano ba namin kibrin na lumibito ni Samuto Berbesi Burbura? Ito na tarungan, makatutulungan,
May.
matulungan. If you sleep at night,
Right?
you can sleep while the light is on or off. What do you prefer?
I prefer dark.
Yeah.
I prefer dark because the pillow, the blanket of our eyes is up here that will be pass through the light.
Right. Can detect, Yeah.
Depend on which light. The globe one
Right.
or the dim one. Or the dim light or the blue
But you
light.
can cover your face while the light is on.
No,
Can you do that?
No, don't cover my face.
Then?
May mo ko sarangan na din, mo kayo mo.
But sometimes when you buka the dire and mother, iko may andar tal tu. What's the reason?
Iya, mata na reason ko, na reason.
Ah.
Ni saonan no mo yung do sa ati kung na puro-purotan. Sambut to nakanto.
Yeah, nataruan matani ko.
Yes, true.
You want to sleep and
Yeah.
off the light.
Yeah.
While the light is off, while it's low, lights off, and you become awake again.
Iya, sometimes we want to test drive, eh?
Test drive what?
We test our eyes, eh?
Oh, okay.
Round in the bakilayan na the dark, or we can only feel in the light.
So, lata mo kinto the cover. How do you test?
Mo test ang tumo ubaya mo tu. Oh, baka mo tunggu na puro
Ngayon, dalam mereka tu mako teman dona chicken dona sasa.
Ha?
Dari tu malay kiremain do me ponto me pana sasa.
Sasame punto kikoya.
O chama itu sa para mata nilo yo sangay kading tu. Kading tu.
So yan rabu vale.
Yan ang naka.
Mela ya rosa do ko kalabiti roko elestina itu kanam
Iya.
naka.
Okay.
Tu da nasibi bot koula tu who's from nasibi bot koula?
Oh, what tamay don?
Tamay don, good
Iya.
morning and also to Jose Batehana and the family joining this.
Right.
About the mosquito net.
Huh?
You love sleeping inside the mosquito net or
I hate mosquito net.
why?
It's hot, eh?
It's not hot.
Oh, yeah. And then?
It's like a boundary
Right.
to your sleeping area.
Oh, okay.
We want to roll from one place to another.
Right.
We want to move ourselves from one
Right.
place to another. You know,
Yeah, but ada
the mosquito net, it's like a fortress in
Right.
our sleepover.
Right.
You know, if we are close to the fortress, what will happen? The people from outside, they will bite you.
Okay.
The mosquito.
Okay, how about when you go to a place where
No, kaya nga ni mo dito, kando, that's why he doesn't like mosquito net.
here,
Because kando mo tu bang ko star jump to, damo tu ya.
here.
So the star,
Nakaali.
na fortress is one kala.
Yeah.
Sanga di makatara me star jump baka binaka, eh?
Here.
Just like this. You know, one day, this one was a sleepwalk.
Oi.
Oh.
Oh, Eleanor.
Sino?
He was sleepwalk. When he was sleepwalk, he moved from the up above. Itong bala may laki.
Ah,
Ano na nanipon na bala? Ako na bala
story.
tamarua.
Here.
Double story.
Kita na lang sa atin, Buira.
Oi. Yeah, so kabayado tu eh.
Yeah.
So that's why I asked you,
Yeah.
if you nakan na mosquito net siya tama.
For me, I hate mosquito net.
Right.
Not hate in this kind of weather. We want mosquito net because it help us in warming.
Okay.
Yeah.
May baka
There's
na-
a special reason why he doesn't like
Because
those
we are wrong,
mosquito
you
net.
know, you want
I
to
want
hear the
to know,
reason.
yes,
Okay,
I want
Mike.
to know
Baka
the
na
reason.
reason go.
Yes.
Doon nga una,
Iyo?
ate mo rin kaya.
Right.
He was chased.
Right.
Eh?
From
From the one place.
right.
Ah.
Gaya doon kayo mala, itong crop tour tabala, siya
Iya.
doon kaya. Siya tunga may na mosquito net. Siya dapat tunga mo kaya na mosquito net.
Aulan naman dia ada.
Bata.
Aulan naman dia ada muri me kuni duro naman ni mosquito
Saya
net.
ako satu na mosquito net.
Ah.
De muri. Dapat kita mo kaya na mosquito net. Durani mala to siya crop tour tabala.
Alaman lo manitano. Ala kanilo losi.
Hey.
Sakaraya sendo doon boleh binaka tu Emi tangi bagatini.
Iya.
Isa.
Eh.
Tani mili balisili.
Iyo. O sa ni mili kera na ngono ko sa bolang na walu.
Iyo.
Abolang na pas ni walu. Mengoli melisili melisili.
Hey, tolo saya bagus ko sa dalewa.
Era benaka. Eles
Isa.
tirei tukana.
Gori, ko tangan gori chubi ko na mosquito net.
Mela ia rasa do ko andi banube. Era benaka tala tacho. Sama to mai sote.
Oh.
Era mata kan kuwa.
Yanra benaka. Ya tapi tolo tegi chubi na mosquito net, vi kebri ka so do. Dan duit itu kan da kay warna bukin no kan da dan
Iya.
duit. So tali taka so rasa sini mo binaka ke vai siya kan na.
Kata-kata eh.
Natunam.
Ako eh so do bukan
Auto
kata-kata.
bata may mena koro.
Iyo.
Ba tau na mutu ngamay.
Right.
Nangon matay ni ngon nalako may kinisyo nang kumay tiko isu ba sini pamatuta ka na pala may tiko kini sini pamatuta ka na tu na mosquito net.
Iyo.
Ara na kubuni na mo nga.
Iyo.
May ka baka man daw mawiti ko biya we.
Kung na?
O tiya sangkay tos tu nangon sangkay baka milay adep may.
Right. Ya bina kami kami kan na ital no membaleta na moderno man ito nam.
Iya.
Ada matang di binggarap di kuno kay siya taka tu hat mata kina laki na matang ka matang di kuat.
Ko ali men ganda ngimen na namo eh.
Kung ano ya?
Men ngimen na namo sa lede sa namo dia.
I can sleep when the namu is ngi.
Iya.
Iko ali.
Sira.
O sa ko bitala ke lutu bala tunung mo dari sinri mo de bala matak. Isa tu ngi men nam. Kabimbi na non ta paro te kianda. Pe kemne kanda. Ya bina satu na kena lotion na ngono ko.
Iya.
Tamburanga tamay tamu tuyan. Siya ni kay mga tagitali na tabali na mosquito net.
Iya.
Sama na mataka go kurumundo.
Ela